Prayer to recite while prostrating. Recite this prayer whenever you do prostration. This is written by great Sakya Paṇḍita Kunga Gyaltsen.
Through offering prostration before the Supreme Three Jewels, may my own and all other beings' misdeeds and obscurations be purified. By joining the palms of my two hands together, may I find the perfect unity of skillful means and wisdom. By touching my hands to the crown of my head, may all travel to the heaven of Akaniṣṭha. By touching my hands to my forehead, may all harmful actions and obscurations of the body be purified. By touching my hands to the level of my throat, may all harmful actions and obscurations of speech be purified. By touching my hands to the region of my heart, may all harmful actions and obscurations of mind be purified. By drawing my two hands apart once again, may the two form kayas work for being's benefit. By touching my two knees to the ground, may all attain the 11th bhumi of universal radiance. By extending and contracting my four limbs, may I spontaneously accomplish the four types of activity. By extending and contracting all the channels of my body, may all the knots in my subtle channels be released. By flexing my spine in the center of my body, may all subtle wind energies enter the central channel. By touching the ground and then rising from it once again, may I not remain in samsara, but find the path to freedom. Then, through my offering a great many prostrations, may I not remain in peace, but be a guide for all. By the power of this virtuous offering of full prostrations, may we gain the temporary benefits of long life, good health and prosperity. When we die, may we be reborn in Sukhavati, and then swiftly attain the level of perfect Buddhahood. May all sentient beings, our very own parents, be happy. May all the lower realms be forever empty. And for all the bodhisattvas, wherever they may be, may each and every prayer of aspiration be fulfilled. Sarva Mangalam. Translated by Adam Piercy.